Hi guys, welcome to ITRXpert again. Today, in this video of the ITRSXCEL course, we will look at the File menu.
The File menu acts as a central hub for all file management and application-level functionalities.
Info. Before looking at the specific info options, we'll just consider the overall file screen. The left-hand side navigation pane provides access to each of the file sections, with the most recently used file list at the bottom. At the top is the back button to return you to your workbook when you have finished with the File tab. Don't be tempted to return by closing the file screen with the top right-hand cross, as this will close the whole workbook instead. Click on the arrow to close the file screen and return to the spreadsheet. The body of the info screen provides access to the document properties, as well as some workbook-wide options, such as workbook protection. New. The New screen provides access to a comprehensive selection of online templates with the ability to narrow the selection by entering a search term. You can access any internal templates by selecting the Shared option above the list of templates. Open. The Open section provides access to recently used workbooks and locations, as well as to cloud and internal locations. Excel 2013 is closely linked to Microsoft's cloud file storage, SkyDrive, later renamed OneDrive, and you can open workbooks from SkyDrive as well as those stored internally, as well as providing access to cloud and local files. The Open screen includes Recent Workbooks, which displays up to 50 most recently used workbooks, as well as the main list of recently used workbooks, which requires you to choose the File tab, then Open. Another list is optionally available in the left-hand navigation pane for more immediate access. Also, when you choose the SkyDrive or computer options, Excel will display a list of recent locations. If you want to keep a file in the list, hover over the file name with the mouse and a pushpin icon will appear at the right-hand side of the file name. Click on this to pin the item to the section at the top of the list. Click again to unpin the item and allow it to return to its normal place in the list. Pinned items are listed in alphabetical order. At the bottom of the main recent list is the Recover Unsaved Workbooks button. If you close a workbook without remembering to save it, you may be able to use this option to recover your workbook. The numbers of recent files and folders to be shown in these recent lists can all be set via Options, then Advanced, then Display section. Save and Save As. If the workbook has previously been saved, File then Save will save the current version of the workbook over the previous version. If the workbook has not yet been saved, then both Save and Save As will display the Save As screen, allowing you to navigate to your chosen save location. You can set your default save location as a particular folder on your computer from the Excel Options Save section. The keyboard shortcut for save is Ctrl+S. More information on efficient practices for saving and managing workbook files is available in the Unit Housekeeping File Naming module. As well as saving your workbook as a normal Excel 2013 file, you can choose to save it in a variety of other formats. These options can be accessed from the screen or by choosing the Save As Type drop-down in the Save As screen. Various file types are available for maintaining compatibility with earlier versions of Excel as well as other applications. You can save a workbook directly as an Adobe PDF or Microsoft's Open Alternative XPS format, or an Open XML spreadsheet from the File tab's Export option. If you save a workbook in one of the compatible formats, Excel will warn you if you have used some functionality that is not available in the previous version. Print. The Print section combines print settings and printer properties with a print preview. Once you have set the settings and properties as required, a Print button allows you to print your workbook. Detailed printing setup is covered in the unit Page and Print Setup, starting with the Displaying Spreadsheets as Pages module. Share. This is another option closely linked with the use of the cloud. You can save the workbook to a SkyDrive folder and invite others to access it. Details of sharing workbooks are covered in the unit Protecting and Sharing module. You can also share your workbook by sending it as an email attachment, or, if you are using SharePoint, a link to a shared document. If you just want people to be able to see the document rather than collaborating on it, you can also email it as a PDF or XPS file. Close. Close will close the Excel workbook, but not the Excel application. The keyboard shortcut for close is Ctrl+W. Account. This section contains information about your Microsoft account and allows you to connect to other services such as Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter. Options. This section provides access to all your Excel options. The most important settings are covered in the unit Customizing Excel Simple Settings module.
Amazing work here, Tom. Hopefully we cleared the basics of the file menu.
If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Thank you.